Which flagship packs the ultimate punch in camera and performance? The Vivo X200 Ultra or the Xiaomi 15 Ultra? Today, we dissect these two powerhouses to see which one truly dominates the smartphone arena with jaw-dropping specs and innovations. Let's dive in. The Vivo X200 Ultra boasts a versatile main camera setup with a 50MP wide lens featuring gimbal OIS for ultra-steady shots, while the Xiaomi 15 Ultra stuns with a 200MP periscope telephoto lens offering 4.3x optical zoom and Zeiss optics, perfect for capturing incredible detail from afar. This makes Xiaomi's zoom capabilities a game-changer for photography enthusiasts. When it comes to screen real estate, the Vivo X200 Ultra edges out slightly with a larger 6.82-inch display compared to Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 6.73 inches, giving you a bit more immersive viewing experience. Both phones are powered by the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset built on a 3-nanometer process, ensuring top-tier performance and efficiency without compromise. Identical octa-core CPUs with blazing 4.32 GHz performance cores in both devices guarantee seamless multitasking and gaming prowess on either phone. Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a marginally sharper display at 1440 by 3200 pixels, approximately 522 ppi, compared to Vivo X200 Ultra's 1440 by 3168 pixels, approximately 510 ppi, delivering slightly crisper visuals for your content consumption. Both pack a massive 6000 mAh Li-ion battery, promising extended usage times to keep up with your busiest days without constantly reaching for the charger. The Vivo X200 Ultra's LTPO AMOLED screen shines brighter with a peak of 4500 nits and supports Dolby Vision and HDR Vivid, ideal for daylight viewing, whereas Xiaomi 15 Ultra offers a stunning 68 billion colors and HDR10+, but with a lower peak brightness of 3200 nits. For selfies, Vivo X200 Ultra leads with a 50MP front camera, featuring autofocus for razor-sharp portraits, while Xiaomi 15 Ultra's 32MP shooter is solid but less advanced in comparison. Both models offer identical memory options, up to 1 TB storage and 16 GB RAM, catering to users who demand ample space and smooth multitasking capabilities. In video recording, Xiaomi 15 Ultra supports ultra-slow motion up to 1920 FPS and 8K at 30 FPS with Dolby Vision HDR, pushing creative boundaries, while Vivo X200 Ultra offers 8K at 30 FPS and Dolby Vision HDR with Gyro EIS for stabilized footage. Price-wise, Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes in slightly cheaper at $900, offering high-end features at a better value compared to Vivo X200 Ultra's $950 tag.